Imagine a herb so potent, it can calm your senses, lull you to sleep, and even soothe an upset stomach. Welcome to the world of chamomile. This daisy-like flower is more than just a pretty face. It's a wellspring of tranquility, cherished for centuries in traditional medicine. Its delicate aroma and soothing properties make it a favorite for those seeking a moment of calm in a hectic day. Now that we've set the stage, let's delve into the myriad health benefits of this magical herb. When it comes to chamomile, the benefits are just as soothing as the aroma it emits. Let's dive into the myriad of health benefits this humble herb offers. To start, chamomile is widely known for its calming effects. Whether you're feeling stressed or simply need a moment of tranquility, a cup of chamomile tea can be your sanctuary of serenity, but the comfort doesn't stop there. It also promotes better sleep. Many people find that a nightly ritual of chamomile tea helps ease insomnia and enhances the quality of their slumber. In tandem with its calming effects, chamomile helps reduce anxiety, fostering a sense of calmness and peace. Additionally, it supports digestive health, relieving stomach discomfort and easing symptoms of indigestion. Chamomile's benefits extend to physical wellness too. Its anti-inflammatory compounds can alleviate conditions like arthritis, while its antibacterial properties soothe skin irritations and promote healing. The herb also serves as a stalwart protector of our immune system. The antioxidants in chamomile ward off infections and illnesses, keeping your body strong and resilient. For women, chamomile tea can provide natural relief during menstruation, helping to alleviate cramps and discomfort. And let's not forget chamomile's rich antioxidant properties that protect our cells from damage and potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases. Lastly, chamomile aids in respiratory health. Whether you're sipping on chamomile tea or inhaling chamomile steam, it can help relieve symptoms of colds, coughs, and sore throats. Isn't it amazing how a simple herb can have such a profound impact on our health and well-being? Incorporating chamomile into your daily life can be as easy as brewing a cup of tea. Start your day with a soothing cup or unwind in the evening with this calming brew. Your skincare routine can also benefit from chamomile-infused products that soothe and heal. Don't forget the wonders of chamomile essential oil in aromatherapy, which can be diffused for relaxation or added to bath water for a soothing soak. With so many ways to enjoy chamomile, it's no wonder this herb is a favorite among health enthusiasts. So, we've explored the tranquil world of chamomile and its impressive health benefits. From its calming effects and improved sleep quality, to its digestive support and skin healing properties, this versatile herb truly is nature's calming elixir. Not to mention, chamomile's antioxidants boost immunity, it provides menstrual pain relief, and it even promotes respiratory health. Simply put, chamomile is a powerhouse of wellness. Remember, the next time you're in need of some tranquility, reach for a cup of chamomile tea and let nature's calming elixir do the rest.